Hello and welcome to this video, I'm going to show you how to use an action in Photoshop to change a rectangular journal card to the rounded corners. So here's what it looks like on our paper with the squared corners, and then we're going to quickly show how to do this. So you can do this one of two ways. If you have your actions stored in a certain place on your computer, if you go to, I'm going to close this out so I can show you how to get there, Window and Actions, then click on this button. It has the lines with the little arrow. Click on it and do Load Actions, and then you could load the action. Like here, I've got it here. Or one other way to do it is if you go to the folder, so where you have it saved, so for example, I have it saved right here, and you right click on it and open with Photoshop Elements Editor. There, and it pops up into our menu. Now this is a 3x4 card, so I'm going to click here, and then I'm just going to, so now that I have it highlighted, I'm just going to click the play button. And there you go. And what it did, if you notice down here in your photo bin, is you still have the original card. We still have the paper with the other card on it, but it's created a new card for us. So now we can just slide that one up, and right next to it, it's round. The corners are rounded. This action also includes for any cards that are 6x4. And that's all there is to it. And then you can continue scrapping from there. I hope that this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.